Hello, kindergarten friends. We're here working on some more math. If you remember the last couple of weeks, we've been working on 11 through 19, how to show them in 10 frames, and how to write the numbers. This week, we are going to start looking at the number 20 and the numbers beyond 20 in 10 frames and how to write them. So just as a reminder from last week, we started off last week with a 10 frame full of counters, and we said we knew this was already the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now down here was all blank, and we called it ones land, because if we had a group of 10 and maybe 2 hanging out in ones land, we knew we had the number 12. A 1 for our group of 10s and a 2 for our little ones hanging out in ones land. Now, because we're working with 20, we have an extra 10 frame. So I'm going to call over here ones land. All right, so we already know we have 10 up here. We already counted to 10 a little bit earlier. So if I want to make 20, I start counting like I did last week. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so now we've made now we've made the number 20. And if you notice, we have one group of 10s and 2 group of 10s. And notice over here, we have nothing hanging out here in ones land. So if we have one group of 10s and 2 groups of 10s, that means we can write the number 2. I have to write on top of my 10 frames, I'm sorry. 2 for our 2 group of 10s up here and down here. And then because I have nothing here in ones land, I write the number 0 to get my 20. Oops, my 0 is not very pretty there, is it? All right, so I'm going to clear these objects and I'm going to change backgrounds quick. All right, I have pattern blocks now. All right, so if I wanted to show I have 20 items, maybe I want 20 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, this is getting tiring. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm running out of space. Let me see, can I put my 20 here? 20. Okay, I have filled up my space with 20 blocks. You heard me counting off 20 squares. So this shows you that I can have 20 objects, which once again, I write like this, a 2 for 2 groups of 10, and a 0 for nothing in the 1 space. This is very difficult to do with a mouse. All right, so I've shown you in 10 frames, I've shown you numbers of objects, and I have shown you what the number 20 looks like in numerical form.